What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Remy. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I do hope that you like, comment, and I hope that you're subscribed, and please make sure your notification bells are on so that you'll be notified every time I post something cute. So today's video, we're gonna start with a cute unboxing. So this part of the video is in collaboration with Aoolia. Thank you so much, Aoolia, for sending me these cute sunglasses. So Aoolia is a Chinese-based company. They sell optical and fashion sunglasses. They are really quality and affordable. Please do check them out. I'm gonna leave their website and every detail that you need. I'm gonna leave the links to the sunglasses as well that I got. So they were kind enough to give me 2 pairs of sunglasses, and yeah, I am obsessed. So of course I have a discount code. My discount code is D50. You buy 2 and you get 50% off on the second pair. Okay. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. So the sunglasses come in this cute packaging. I really love the packaging. It's super cute and aesthetically pleasing. So the name of the company is Aoolia, as you guys can see there. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And then the package, when you open the box, one thing I really like about them is that the packaging is top notch. They make sure that your sunglasses are secure and safe, because you know when it's being shipped anything can happen, but they really make sure that it's safe and secure. Like as you can see, it's wrapped in this bubble, is it bubble wrap? I don't know, but this thick bubble wrap. So I got 2 pairs. Funny story, these sunglasses look very similar. Didn't notice, only noticed after I placed my order, but it's fine. It just tells which types of sunglasses that I like. So they each come in this dust, is it a dust bag? I think so. The dust bag. Details, darling. It's also written Aoolia, and they each have what do you call this, I don't know guys, but whatever you use to wipe your glasses, period. And details, like I said already, how the first pair looks like. I really like them. They're so cute, and I like the color as well. I think I have similar sunglasses, guys. Like these are the ones that I really like. The detail is just so cute. Quality is amazing. So let's just try them on. Ooh, stunning. Just look at me. It's giving baddie, it's giving classy. Wow, it's giving what it's supposed to give. But this is how the first pair looks like. I think I'm gonna wear this today as well because I really like them. Anywho, so this is how the second pair looks like. Got them in black. Cute. Oh, these are giving chilled vibes. These are giving let's go out for lunch, let's go out for brunch, you know. So but these are really nice. I am obsessed. I'm really obsessed. Thank you so much, Aoolia, for gifting me this cute sunglasses. Please do check them out, guys. The delivery was so quick. It literally took like a week to get to me. So yeah, for your quality affordable glasses, please check out Aoolia. Okay. So let's get into the vlog. Yeah, so the first question you guys must be having is, what happened to the hair? I know I am so disappointed. So this is the hair that we've been talking about all along. This is the hair. I had to cut it because it was tangling so much. So I cut it. I just had to. I couldn't take it anymore. The tangling was just too much. So I had to cut it, and I think it doesn't look so bad, honestly. The lady who cut my hair, Naye, she was doing her own thing, but I think it doesn't look bad. So this is the hair cut. But I think I'm gonna get my hair done though, because you know when you really don't like something, you don't feel confident enough, even like when you're around people. That's how I've been feeling the whole week. I think I'm gonna get my hair done today actually. So it's a Saturday, the 3rd? No. Yeah, man. It's the 4th, I think, of June. I don't know. It's the 4th of June, Saturday. I woke up feeling cute. I want to go for a brunch solo date, because I've been feeling solo. So go for like window shopping, because child, I don't have money, okay? So I'm gonna do that and just be wholesome girls, you know. Also, I got another package. I got new shoes. This is so cute. But I want you guys to go and watch the vlog. No, I want you guys to go and watch the video of the shoes. So please do check that out. And I just filmed, guys. Yo, guningi. I was filming this makeup look. Please watch that as well. Yo, sana guningi. And I see you guys on the hours. I see ya. But okay, drip check. I want to show you guys my outfits for the day. So I'm wearing this jacket. You guys remember it from Light in the Box? Black pants. Ooh. And I'm wearing the Nike sneakers that I got 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. So yeah, that's my outfit. I hope I look nice. This hair, not giving. But anyway,
hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting,
it's so full, but I'm really trying to vlog. Gotta get this content. I don't care who's looking at me. It's so full. But yeah, I'm here. I think I'm gonna have the eggs benedict with just cappuccino. I'm starving. Didn't eat since morning. It's like 12 now. No, 12:30, 1 o'clock. Yeah, I do that every time I'm creating content or I'm going out. I never eat in the morning, so I'm saving the stomach for something nice. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, and then later on I'm gonna go around the mall. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'm looking so good, guys. Like, I really like my makeup. It's something so simple, fast, but it's cute. It's really giving.
due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hi guys, it's a Tuesday. I just got ready for work. My hair done on Sunday, and look at the edges. Like, this lady did my edges on Sunday, and look at them, they're still popping. So yeah, I'm looking cute. My hair is popping per. So you guys saw I went to at home. I'm trying to be quick because I don't want to be late for work. I went to at home and I got myself this diffuser, and one thing for sure is that she smells expensive. Like, she smells so good. This was honestly an impulsive buy because I wasn't planning on buying anything honestly, but I just had to. I remember I saw this maybe 3 months ago or 2 months ago, and I was just like, I want to buy it, I want to buy it. And then on Saturday I was just like, let me just do it, and you know, you only live once. So this is the diffuser. It's called Whisper. It has notes of cedar wood and something. I don't know what else that is. It was $1.99. So they have a bigger one, and the bigger one is $300. So I was just like, let me settle for this one, and then once I have the money, I'll come and get the big one. Okay. And the guy there was just so he was very nice. He showed me like much better ones, and they're like so good, but they're like 500 rand. So I was just like, you know what, please count Nikki chance. Okay, so I didn't open it because I wanted to unbox with you guys. So like I say, this is I just stole the paper. This is from At Home. It's a diffuser. Smells so amazing. So I want to unbox it with you guys because I want you guys to see the whole process. So you have your, what does it say here? It said all reeds. Okay, you have your reeds. These are called reeds. Ooh, excited. Oh God. Guys, this diffuser is just so beautiful. Hey, buddy. Okay, he doesn't want to come out. Okay. Are you guys ready? Look at that. So this is 130 mils. Let me open it, guys. Yo, I'm gonna be late for work. Okay, son. Just wanted to unbox with you guys before I open it because I've been meaning to open it. Oh God. Ooh. This smell, guys, it smells so expensive. If you want like a long-lasting, luxurious smell in your house, this is the way to go, guys. At Home has the prettiest, like everything, candles, home stuff. It's just a bit on the pricier side, but it's so worth it and so beautiful. So there goes my new diffuser per. I had one from Pep Home. So yeah, this one, don't want to lie, it smells so good, but I just want to try the more expensive one, and like I want to tell how it's gonna like smell in my room. Okay, so yeah, this is my diffuser, you guys. I'm not gonna throw away the box, of course. So yeah, let me bounce for work because I'm getting late. Okay, and I want to see how it's gonna smell when I come back from work, and just, you know, yeah. So here she is. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I didn't do much because, you know, I wasn't feeling well, and so yeah, guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I will see you on my next one.